Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start at the nape where the head is most stable. Clip the top hair up and create a clean, horizontal part about 1/2 inch above the hairline. This gives you a secure foundation. Open the clip tabs and position the weft so the center clip sits on the occipital bone because that anchor prevents sliding. Once placed, snap the center clip closed, then move to the side clips. Make sure tension is even so the weft lays flat and feels natural. You now continue upward in consistent rows about 1 inch apart to build volume. After releasing the next horizontal section, tease just enough at the root where each clip will sit to increase grip. You want hold without visible bulk. Place each weft so edges meet naturally, trimming ends or overlapping slightly to match the head shape. Once done, close clips from center outward to avoid gaps, and comb through gently to blend the boundary between your hair. You finish by releasing the top section and letting your natural hair fall over the wefts, then cut long extension pieces if needed to create cohesive layers. Use a low-heat tool to style and a light hold spray to set everything. This helps the blend last through movement. If any weft slips, make sure the clip is fastened to hair rather than scalp, re-tease the root, or reposition the clip into a denser area. Finally, check comfort and symmetry in a mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.